I mean, our presence here is important because it shows everybody that we all believe in this. One love. We all believe in this, and that is what makes Canada so beautiful. I mean, it doesn't matter what political stripe you are. You're here today. We're all here.
Yeah, so you're sending a unified message today.
100%, absolutely. And it's a fun day, right? This is supposed to be a fun day, and it is a fun day. And Toronto puts on a great show. It's just amazing. And I'll be going to the Halifax Pride all over again in July.
Wonderful. What do you think of the fact that we are being put on the world stage with this parade and how we represent?
You know, long time ago, they said that Toronto was a lot of fun, and it is unending. I mean, it continues on and on and on, and we're all here. Liz May is here. She and I were hugging earlier. I mean, we are, it's so much better here than in the House of Commons. Let me just put it that way, okay? So much better.
That's a wonderful message.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Lisa. Happy Pride. Thank you for sharing the stage.
Thank you.
Happy Pride.
Thank you.
Take
Happy
care.
Pride. Lisa Ray from the Conservative Party. What, that talk about parade?
Yeah.
That was just a parade.
That was a whirlwind of politics. We had every voice there from all the different parties.
I guess it's kind of
main
nice
ones,
that we're
anyways.
kind of sort of walking
Oh my
together,
goodness!
I
We were
suppose.
wondering what Gurdeep was wearing, and when he described it, hey buddy, happy Pride. Good to see
I
ya.
guess you walked by us at one point. You walked by us at one point.
I walked by you and you guys were full on in an interview, so the truck just kept on moving, so I just kept on moving. We came all the way back. I'm like, it's a staple of Pride for us to stop and join the host on stage, so I said, we got to do it.
Zoraida got baptized in the
my
Super
God.
Soaker, her first